Appendix B, Field Expedition Squad Book. The Field Expedition Squad Book, DA Form 516R instructions, allows the trainer, the Field Expedition Squad Book, DA Form 5164R, allows the trainer to keep record of the task proficiency from the group's soldiers. The figure B1 shows a sample of the completed DA Form 5160R. Obtain the blank copy of the DA Form 5165R, which may locally reproduce 8 1/2 inch 11 paper, locally reproduce partially completed with a form if you are evaluating more than nine soldiers. During the evaluation, enter the name of the soldier you are evaluating, one name per column on the top of the form. Under the status recorded in pencil date of the go in the block of the soldier demonstrated the task, proficiency of soldier and manual standards. Keep the information current with all records of the most preceding the soldier demonstrated the task performance record of the date of the no-go. If the soldier failed to demonstrate the task performance, soldier manual to standard soldiers with the failed performance task shall be retained and re-evaluated. They can meet the standards. When the standards are met, they enter the data appropriate with the go block or erase the previous entry in the no-go block. After evaluation, read down each of the columns to determine the training status of the individual. They will give you a quick indication on which tasks the soldier needs to train on. Read across the roads of each task, determine the training status of all soldiers. You can read easily or readily see what task to focus on training. Line on the status column of the soldier who leaves the unit. Of any soldier who leaves the unit. This is another example. Our glossary, all our abbreviations. Actually, it's quite long. This page is intentionally got a reference book. You have your Army Physical Security Program, your Environmental Protection Enhancement, your supply below the minimum, whereas U.S. Army Incident Stock Accounting Record, Daily Staff Journal, a Duty Officer Petroleum Sample Document Register, Supply Actions, Petroleum Product Laboratory Analysis, Equipment Inspection Maintenance Worksheet, Request for Issue and Turn-in, Daily Issue, Petroleum Products Monthly Abstract, Petroleum Products Operation, Outage Gauge using Tape and Bob, Outage Gauge Sheet using In-Gauge Tape and Bob, Outage Gauge using Outage Gauge Tape and Bob, Commercial Deliveries, Bulk and Petroleum Products, checklist, petroleum products, pump station hourly operations records, monthly bulk petroleum accounting summary, monthly bulk accounting summary, petroleum products of the tanker farm intake of the record, petroleum products of the pumping station operational alarm separation and action control sheet, petroleum product tanker farm outturn run, petroleum product pipeline leakage run report, public oil, petroleum oil and lubricant credit card, AV fuels and plate control log, petroleum products inventory control sheet, petroleum operators permit record, motor equivalency, dispatch equipment inspection maintenance worksheet, single load inspection vehicle load car. Continuing on, now the Department of the Army pamphlets, Army Correspondence Course Program Catalog, DAPAM 305059, 71021, Using Supply System Manual Procedures, DAPAM 710-2, Supply Support Activity Supply System Manual Procedures, September 30th, 1998. DAPAM 750 is the Army Maintenance Management TAM's user management form. The Department of Defense forms are follows: Military Inspection Receiving Report, DO 40 Form 250, Tanker Barge in Material Inspection, Receiving Issue Receipt and Document, Fuel Sales Slip, and Motor Equipment Utilization. Field Manual 301 for Aviation Bridges, Multi-Service Tactical Techniques, Procedures for Nuclear, Biological, Chemical Defense Operations. That is 311. 31930, Physical Security, Environmental Consideration, Military Operations, Risk Management Procedures, Multi-Service Tasks and Technique Procedures, Field Manual 5482, Military Petroleum Pipeline System, Field Manual 70, Training for the Force, 71, Battleized Focus Training, 1052, Water Supply Theater Operations, 1052-1, Water Supply Point and Equipment Operations. I'm sorry if I thought it was visual inspections. 1067 Petroleum Supply of the Theater Operations, Field Manual 1067-1, Concept Equipment of the Petroleum Operations, 67 Field Manual 1067 Petroleum Laboratory Testing and Operations. Field Manual 1044-16, Petroleum Pipeline Terminal Operating Units. 1045 450 petroleum help helicopter sling load basic operation equipment. 1040 multi helicopter sling load single point loading rigging procedure. Military helicopter sling load dual point rigging procedure. How to conduct training exercises in Field Manual 25.4, 25.5, training of the mobilization of war, Field Manual 10, Field Manual 114, risk management 49 CFR 172, 500, transportation applicability of plaque carding requirements. ASTM standards, the annual book of the ASTM standards. DoD 4140 is the DoD Management Bulk Petroleum Products and Natural Gas and Coils, Volume 1 through 4. Military Handbook 200, Military Standards Handbook, the Quality Surveillance Handbook, the fuel lubricants related to the products. Department of Defense Handbook, Petroleum Fuel Facilities, Quality Surveillance Fuel Lubrication related projects. STP 21 SMT, the Common Task Skill Level. STP 2124, Soldier Manual Common Task, SMT skill levels 2 through 4, Technical Bulletin, Soldier Guide for the Precision Lightweight GPS Receiver, basically technical manuals, firefighting rescue procedures and theater operations, operation intermediate direct support, maintenance and repair, parts and special tools, tactical petroleum terminal modules. Operator organization, direct support, general maintenance of the compressor, rotary air trailer, mounted component, pneumatical compressor outfit, operator's manual pump, inter-unit central figural pump line, operator of their organizational pumps, a whole bunch of operator wheels, aviation, HMTTT, more technical manuals, all operators, training circulars, soldier and environment, related publications, environmental portraying, basically the whole thing I just spit. TMs once again. This was written by the order of Secretary Army Peter J. Schumacher, General United States Chief of Staff, or Joyce E. Morrow, Administrative Assistant Secretary of the Army. Distribution: Active Army, Army Reserve, Army National Guard, SP EP 1092F 15 SCM will be published electronically immediately. Published in electric media only. This page is left blank. Another blank page. Another blank page. And that is all.